Now that we know the method that we are going to use to develop this project, let's look at the project roadmap. And these are the stages that we are going to build. We are going to develop this project in 5 or more phases. The first part is that we are going to build the complete application by using CRUD operation. And then from there, we will add new feature, and that is file upload. After that, we will integrate authentication, payment, and other features. The purpose for this is that it will suit to any student, either you are a beginner or an advanced developer. If you are a beginner, then you can focus on how to perform CRUD operations in MERN Stack. And in case you are okay with this, then you can move on to the next project where we are going to add these features. So let's begin with the first part, and that is CRUD operation.